Scorpio, hi there, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Let's do your reading for the month of July 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And bottom of the deck, this is the pre-shuffled deck, guys. And you got Four of Wands. Now Four of Wands is home, and I feel like you want to increase the comfort of your home. Maybe buy a new furniture, like a sofa set or anything. Or just have a nice decoration in your home which gives you more peace and calm and more comfort. So you want to build comfort in your home, okay, is what I'm seeing in the month of July. So that's really good. It's not a bad thing. Ten of Wands, first card. Yep, you have to definitely buy that because your mind is clustered, is what I'm saying, and definitely even your soul wants comfort. As the bottom of the deck is the inner deep feeling. So listen to that inner deep feeling. If you want comfort, if you want to relax, if you want to take a break, and also Four of Wands suggests that taking break from your daily routine. If you're in a job 9 to 5, if you want to take a leave, you have to take it, because this is a signal that you have to take it. Because Ten of Wands is clustered. You can see how clustered it is. Your mind definitely needs some peace, okay, and your mind processes billions and millions of information every second, and if we don't take care of how our thoughts are running inside the brain, then your life will be impacted, okay, with respect to that. So meditation is something which is very important in the month of July. So if you have something like, if you have a realization like, I need to buy this in my home so it can give me comfort, as I said, like sofa set, go ahead and do that. Literally, if you want to take a leave, go ahead and do that. And I mean right now, because look at this, Seven of Pentacles. I'm very happy that you got this card after Ten of Wands, sorry, because Ten of Wands is such a claustrophobic card, and Ten of Wands is also carrying burdens. You're literally carrying a lot of burden, and you have to release that. It's like a heavy bag. You have to just remove the bag from your shoulder. That's Ten of Wands. And Seven of Pentacles is the growth of finances. So once you release that baggage, you feel free, and once your body is free, everything becomes free, okay, everything becomes loose, and there'll be a lot more room for your finances. I feel like you're working very hard also, and since your energy is very down, you're almost not able to receive that, okay. So once you free yourself, you can work even more better. That's the meaning. Eight of Pentacles is working on your finances. You can work better also. So take rest for your body. Your body definitely needs a lot of rest. Your mind needs rest. Your body needs rest. So take care of your health, okay. Eight of Swords. I feel like you're stuck in a situation and you're not able to move. You're feeling like you're not able to move. But remember, Scorpio, this is all in your mind. Eight of Swords in the mind is all in the mind. Remember, no one is pressuring you. No one is saying you have to do this. You have to be in a certain way. It is all in your mind. Once you realize that there is no swords attacking you, you can open your wings and fly. The butterfly is not being affected or attacked by any sword or entity. This is all in your mind. Eight of Swords is in the mind. Once you realize that there is no swords, you can just fly freely like a butterfly, and you have the right to do that at any time. Okay, I told you, Ten of Pentacles. Look, it's all about the realization. It's all about the realization. This is wands, inner battle. This is pentacles, finances, growth of finances. Swords, again in the mind, again pentacles, again earth. So this wands and swords is blocking the pentacle energy. So you have to, as I said, you have to take rest for your body, you have to take rest for your mind. Your body is nothing but the wands, the strength, and the mind is nothing but the swords here. So your mind and body needs rest. Likewise your soul also. We can't see the soul here because soul is, we can't see soul, right? So there's a reason there is no cards here representing soul. So we can, mind, body and soul should be calm. Okay, do meditation, try yoga. 10 of Pentacles is, once you realize that, once you clear your mind, money comes to you. 10 of Pentacles, this is salary also. 10 of Pentacles. And card speaking this way, I'm really surprised. 10 of Wands is in the mind. No, yeah, in the mind, 10 of Swords. But Wands is body. Once you relax your body, look, you can work hard. This is physical work, 8 of Wands. And Wands is in the, Wands is body. Once you relax your body, you can work hard. That's the physical work. 8 of Pentacles is physical work. This is in the mind. 8 of Swords. Once you clear your mind, 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles is not physical. It is just inherited from someone. It is just, transferred. So salary, family, finances, that is 10 of Pentacles. 2 cards want to come out. I'll take it. Justice and Ace of Cups. Justice is major arcana. So this is the realization. Now you realized how your mind and body and soul affects your career. You might think, okay, if I work hard, I'll get finances. But if I work even more hard, even though I have pain in my body, if I work even more hard, you feel like you'll get more? No. Remember, if you work hard, of course, your body is so much strained and your body doesn't work efficiently. That's the whole meaning and importance is for the effectiveness. You have to work effectively, and to work effectively, you have to stay fit in your body, mind and soul. That's the Justice card. That's the balance. Justice is balance, guys. Everything is balance. It's Libra. We have day and night. It's balance. Computer doesn't work without CPU. Everything is connected. So that's justice. White and black. Law of polarity. Negative and positive. Sides of the battery. Vibrations. Frequency. Energies. Negative and positive energy. Everything is balance. So if you balance your body, relax in your body, then you can work effectively. See, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be only transferred. So you have to understand that. Once your body has energy, then you can create, then you can, manifest things in your life using that energy. So next, Ace of Cups, next to Justice card. Because these two cards came out, I want to combine these two. If you understand this balance, Libra scale, then you will understand that not only pentacles, you will have emotions also which you can share purely. Ace of Cups is pure emotions, which is a lot of emotions, which is pure. Ace of Cups is big cup. So not only pentacles, you can share your emotions also effectively, and pureness is the one which is, which represents effectiveness, the quality. Next, such beautiful cards to come out actually. Wheel of Fortune, major arcana. Things will turn out to your favor. Once you connect with this, once you have this Ace of Cups, you will have a realization that all the scenarios till now which I've experienced is, you know, turning towards my favor, and it's just a realization. And that's the process of spirituality. Mainly it's for your soul and for your mind to again realize and come to a conclusion that you have experienced these things for a reason, and that's nothing but enlightenment. Enlightenment is nothing but realization. Realization is nothing but enlightenment. You getting enlightened. I told you it will just build up. That's the same meaning over and over again. Wheel of Fortune is simply that. I want to tell one more tip, one more information, and this card wanted to tell me this again. So even before this card came out, I want to tell you that is it'll just grow. Three of Pentacles is growing. Once you understand this, everything will turn, all the wheels will turn towards your favor. You'll almost be like, why haven't I known this before? You'll have that aha moment. And everything happens in divine timing, guys. Everything unfolds at divine timing. Okay, remember that. So Three of Wands, Three of Pentacles is simply that. You will also teach other people. You will also teach your friends. This is community. Three, these are all connected. Three of Pentacles is friends, teamwork. You will also teach other people. If you're running a business, I'm pretty sure you'll tell your business partners that, listen, you have to do these things so that, you know, universe can provide that manifestation energy, and they will listen, and you know, Three of Pentacles will start growing. So definitely you will teach. Fool card for sure. You will see this as a new opportunity for you now. You will teach other people, and you will feel like this is a new opportunity, and you will say other people also to teach other people, and that's really good thing. Fool card. And you will also teach. This is definitely a teacher. Fool, because Fool is someone who is trying to learn, and this is other people. This is the Fool. And definitely you will teach other people that they have, once they complete the cycle of the Fool card, when they come to World card, they have to teach other people. Magician, wow, what a great way to finish. And you will remain in this Magician energy. That's the thing. You will realize that you have all the tools to manifest anything you want. Now you focus on yourself. You'll teach other people or what are the experiences you had, and you'll tell them to teach other people, and then you'll move off and you'll focus on yourself. And you'll tell the same thing for other people also, to focus on themselves and not entirely on other people. As a magician, manifesting anything you want. Temperance, balancing. You know the balance. Again, now you mastered the art of balancing. You got justice, you got temperance. I told you, you won't focus on others again. You'll focus on yourself. That's the balance again. See, that's how universe works. Okay. So, if you want to watch the reading again, guys, feel free to do that. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. I'll be happy to reply for you guys. If you do want a personal reading, you can check out my website. It's down below. I'm also available in all the social medias like Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger. You can contact me there. You can follow me on Twitter. It will be very helpful for you because every time I upload a video, I'll update there. And if you get a tweet that I've uploaded, you can just click on that. It will direct you to YouTube. So it will be very helpful for you. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified, never miss a video. And so a series will be releasing soon. Okay, and the first video will be really amazing. It's a surprise. Catch you guys there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.